Does Amla color your hair? What about the henna shampoo bar that we have at Hennasooq? Will that deposit any color? And what about getting a dark brown tone? How do you do that naturally with henna and indigo? So there's 3 great questions that got asked and got chosen to be selected for this week's Ask Henna Sooq series. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Khadija. I'm the founder and CEO of Hennasooq, expert in henna natural hair color, specializing in Ayurvedic healthy hair care and gorgeous henna and jaguar body art as well. And if you have a pressing question, remember you can ask it in the comments below. And if you need that answer though, like right now, just go to our website, hennasooq.com, and click the live chat feature. In that live chat feature, you will reach one of our experts and you'll get your answers right away. Question number 1, does the henna shampoo bar add some color to the hair? A little tint from a wash would be amazing. So the henna shampoo bar is more about moisture and strengthening the hair and cleansing at the same time. It won't deposit a color per se from the henna that's in it because it's just not enough henna to really deposit, and you're also not leaving it in long enough to give you color. So I would only recommend that you use the gloss bars and the masks for a quick like pop of color because they're also more concentrated and moisturizing at the same time. But definitely you'll get the strengthening and the benefits and the cleansing from using our Hennasooq henna shampoo bar. You'll absolutely love it. Our next question is, can I do 3 parts indigo to 1 part henna to get a dark brown tone? Absolutely, yes. That is exactly how you're gonna get a beautiful dark brown. Do note that if you have stubborn grays and hard to color hair in that mix though of your hair situation, then you may need to be patient to do repeated applications or even follow up with a second application of indigo, leaving that on for maybe 30 to 60 minutes to get it much darker, because sometimes the first time isn't enough. And remember, these are just plant-based herbs, so they need to be given a chance for sure. Next question, does Amla take away gray hair? In my experience, I haven't seen Amla do that. It does kind of impart an ashy tone, so it can kind of give the hair a bit of an ashy tone with repeated uses, but it doesn't take grays away. It's not strong enough and it's not permanent. It doesn't really darken the same way maybe Brahmi or Bring Rash can kind of darken and reduce grays and kind of keep those at bay. So if you're looking for something that will, kind of help you along with that gray, without jumping to henna or indigo first, maybe you want to check out Brahmi and Bring Rash, 2 really good herbs that you definitely need to look up right here on our YouTube channel. It has a lot of really good recipes, a lot of benefits. Very, very important if your focus is your scalp. Those are 2 herbs that should be in your regimen for sure. And Amla powder, again, that one alone will not take the grays away. Not that I've ever seen in my experience. So I hope that helps. And remember, if you have a question you want to be selected, you got to ask it in the comments below. And if you're in the Columbia, Maryland area, please come through and come see us at our new retail and salon location. We have a lot of events coming up. So I'll see you next time. Bye.